Luna and songs.
Kids, Christmas is coming soon. Have you written your letters to Santa?
Children, sit and write tonight under twinkling Christmas light. Dreams and wishes fill the air, magic sparkles everywhere. In different corners, children write their hearts full of love and might. Some ask for toys, some for pets, others just hope for snowflakes to set. Elf hats on, they work all night, building toys with all their might. Each wish a new adventure starts in Santa's workshop, where dreams take flight. Snowflakes dance and chimneys glow. Elves cheer as they know every wish will come true. Magic spreads, it's a joyful view. Santa's little elves are reading every letter, every greeting. Oh, how kind these children are. Their hearts are shining like a star. Magic spreads, it's a wondrous sight. Elves smile at the delight. With every wish, a new start. Christmas magic in the heart. Children dream, elves fulfill. Magic fills the holiday thrill. Santa's helpers so happy and bright, bringing joy, it's their delight.
Tap subscribe, don't delay. Luna brings joy every day.